The night is heavier than it used to be, but I can stand inside the weight. I don't fight the ache that's moving through me. I let it settle, I let it fade. I've been walking through the quiet, learning how to trust my pace. Every scar is still breathing, but it's no longer breaking me. I don't need the ending now, wow. I don't need the proof. Some roads only open when you stop forcing the truth. I'm still here and I'm rising slowly through the dark. I feel my name. What I lost didn't leave me empty. It just taught me how to stay. I don't need the promise spoken. I don't need to see the sign. If something real is meant to find me, it will meet me in my time. Your shadow doesn't own the light. It only shows me where I've been. I don't shrink to fit the silence. I don't disappear again. And I've been holding my own heartbeat when the world went cold and thin. Now I feel it getting stronger, like a fire under skin. Every truth arrives in layers. Every strength is learned alone. I don't tear the future open. I let it go when it's grown. I'm still here and I'm rising slowly through the dark. I feel my name. What I lost didn't leave me empty. It just taught me how to stay. I don't need the promise spoken. I don't need the promise. I need to see the sign. I don't need to see the rivers meant to find me. It will meet me in my time. No rush, no fear, just breath, just ground. Whatever's meant to love me will find me standing where I am now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.